me, and oh my gosh, I am so glad that whoever's watching this video, you guys stuck with me. Okay, so this video, you guys deserve this video because I was supposed to do a 30-day review over the water fast. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys the tea. So after the water fast, after I did the water fast, I actually called the doctor and found out what my weight was before I did the water fast. And the doctor was like, oh, you were 200 pounds. You were at 200. And I was like, huh? So you were at 200. I said, who? She said you was at 200. I said, well, shit. So, because, you know, I got weighed and I was trying to figure out, I was like, why am I 185 pounds? Like, did I just gain weight from doing the water fast? I did not. I lost a good amount of weight and I was just 200 pounds and I thought I was 174 pounds. So, you know, I was shocked and confused. I didn't know what to do. I really didn't. But now that I know that I actually lost weight, I'm actually still happy. Like, I was kind of bummed out because I found out that I was 200 pounds and now I'm 180. Now I was, and at that time after I did the water fast, I was 185. I was bummed at first, but I was like, wait a minute, I was 200 pounds. The fact that I got to 185, that's a freaking blessing, and that's on period. So I'm super happy. Now, after that, I decided to go to a weight loss clinic, okay? Now, when I went to the weight loss clinic, I didn't expect a miracle because it doesn't work like that, and some people, they expect miracles. What I did when I got there is that I got a appetite suppressant. And when they gave me the appetite suppressant, I was able to control my portions because if I was going to be off this water fast, I did not want to overeat or anything like that. I didn't want to mess everything up that I've worked for. So I was on the appetite suppressants for 2 months and I actually lost 20 pounds from that. So I was at 165 by the time I was done. And now I am at 160 pounds, guys. Yay! Now, for my height, to get to my goal weight is originally, it's literally at 130. My goal weight is at 130. So let's see, I'm 160 now. So I got 30 pounds to lose, and that's totally fine. The good thing is that I'm finally lighter, and I'm at the point to where I'm less prone to injury. And let me tell you a little something about that. If you saw any of my other videos, and anyone who's seen my last videos know that I was in 2 car accidents. Yeah, I was in 2 car accidents and my body was healing, but the thing is, it was trying its best to, you know, heal better. And the thing is, it's like I was so stressed out and I was so depressed that I was just gaining more and more weight, and it really wasn't helping my healing process. So as I was losing weight, my back problems are gone. I literally just sleep. I just go to sleep. Like, I don't have to wake back up because my back is uncomfortable. I go to sleep. I had to get some weight off of my body just to give everything a break. And some people hold weight better, but just I don't. So I had to, after losing that 185 pounds, I already felt a difference. But after that, it was 175. Then after that, it was 165. And then now I'm at 160. I'm so freaking proud of myself. It's crazy. But you guys definitely deserve a follow-up video. And this is what I'm giving you. So, as you guys notice that there's a different background. Yes, guys, I moved. Yes, and then I got a new part-time job. It is awesome too, so I'm super freaking excited. The other thing that changed is that I have 2 pets now. I have one bearded dragon and I have a banana ball python. And I did not expect to get reptiles, but I fell in love with them after having a job, you know, that allows me to become more comfortable with all animals, because I don't want to sit there and be like, oh, I'm an animal lover, and I'm just like, no, I don't like snakes or lizards. No, I don't like any of that. And the thing is, it's like, the thing is, I just don't know how to handle them. I don't know how to be around them. But then once I found out how, I was like, I love you. So now I have a lizard and I have a snake. After that, I did become very, very confident in myself. So I had a friend that was inviting me to anime cons for 2 years. 2 years, guys. She was inviting me for 2 years, and I finally went with her, and I had the most fun in my life. And that also brought about a creative streak, because now I'm going to be making foam armor, and that's gonna be so fucking fun. Oh my god, I'm gonna have so much fun with that. I ain't even gonna lie. Not only that, I'm also going to be showing you guys recipes that I make. I'm like meatless now. Now, there's absolutely nothing wrong with meat. Nothing wrong with anyone eating meat. It's just that a diet with meat did not go well for me. It depends on how people's body take it. I decided to go meatless because my body handles everything well without meat. Whenever there's meat in my system, there's always an issue of some sort. Or I'm always feeling like shit. Always feeling like shit. But anyways, that's only because that was what it was that I was going through. You know, no one has to stop. But I'm also going to be doing I don't know if did I say this already? Whatever. I'm also going to be doing a workout challenge, and I'm super excited to show you guys that. And it will be majority of everything that I see on Pinterest, because I love Pinterest. So you guys are going to be in it with me for a while. But I'm also going to be posting the workout on the YouTube video, so you guys can know exactly what it is that I'm doing. Plus, I have, let me see, January, February, March, April, May. I pretty much have oh my god, I have 2 months until it's time for me to go to an anime con, and that is MomoCon, and that will be in May, and it's from May 1st to May 21st to May 24th, I believe. Either way, I went ahead and make sure I had those days off. So I am going to be working out so I can make sure I look good in my cosplay. I have a workout that's set up, and I really hope you guys are gonna like it. So I'm gonna be doing this workout for an entire month, and then after that I'm going to be doing a certain diet for 2 weeks, and then the next 2 weeks I'm going to be doing another super clean diet within those 2 weeks, because I have a lot of things set up for you guys, and I'm super excited. For all the people who supported me before this, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate that. Just know that I'm starting back up. I do not have, I don't think I ever will. I will not have a schedule. I'm just not gonna have a set schedule of when my videos are coming out. How about you just click that notification button and then click the subscribe button, and then you guys will know. But seriously, majority of my videos will be coming out on weekdays. That's what I can promise you. Videos will be coming out on weekdays, like Monday through Friday, stuff like that, because my weekends are kind of busy. I will admit, my weekends can be kind of busy. They have been busy, very busy lately, which is awesome though. It's for good reasons. So yes, y'all, I'm gonna see you guys on next video. Thank you so much for all the people who even held in. I know I'm not really popping like that, but that's totally fine. All right, anyone who is supportive of my journey, I'm totally supportive of you guys. If you guys have anything to say, or you guys have anything, you can always DM me on Instagram. You can always even just leave a comment below. Duh. Anyways, do your thing. It's all good. Guys, this stuff takes process. Nothing is like a magic wand. You don't just be like, oh, I'm gonna lose weight, eat healthy one day, and think it's gonna go. Guys, this is serious. It takes work, and it takes dedication, and your mind has to be up it has to be up for it first. So I'm blabbering everywhere. I just want to let you guys know that do whatever you like. You can do whatever you like as long as you subscribe, okay? Subscribe and click the notification button, and you guys are going to see a really awesome journey. I'm really excited about it. Plus, I'll be doing 2-week follow-ups on it. But within that journey, I'm also going to be doing videos for recipes and everything like that. So if you guys are excited to see what the hell I'm doing, then watch. Just watch. Thank you. Bye.